Let's try to draw this figure, and this is quite simple. If you have a little bit of mathematics incorporated into your drawing, this could be drawn much faster than what you think, right? Right, in this case we are having a line. First, what we want to do here is find out the length of this line here. So 19,120, that gives you 30. First, we need to find the length of this line here, and we could say that 19,120 is 30. So the 30 will be splitted right into 15 and 15 right among these two lines here. So we can have a line. This one can be 15, and the height goes right into 15, which is seen right here. And the length of this line is 40 and 90, that gives you 50, and 50 will be splitted across these two lines here, so that will be 25, and this one will be 25, and go down right into 15. Okay, then we are having the total length is 40, so the figure is symmetric, so we can make use of mirror command. So that is, again, we don't need to draw 40, rather 20, and the height of this one goes right into 70, which you can see right here. That is 70, and that's enough. Now we are having two circles here. One's having radius 20, and next is having the radius is 40, which is having a center point that is maybe 85 from this point here. So we are having a circle. Place mouse here, hover it to top, and this one will be 85, and the radius is 20, and the radius is 40. Okay, that's cool. Oh, we are having a radius 5 here. You can fillet it, so fillet, and the radius is 5, and you can pick these two objects there. So Control A to select all and remove these two objects, and I can mirror it from first point to second point here. Alright, that's cool. Now we don't want this line here, we can trim it. So that's it. That's how you'll be drawing this figure. It's quite simple. Alright, that's cool. Now what you can learn from this figure is incorporate a little bit of mathematics into your drawing. You can draw it quite faster. We're having the next figure is this one. We can see a lot of circles are here. The first circle is having the diameter of 136, that will be maybe 68. The radius is 68. Okay, that's cool. Now the next circle is having a radius of 36, and that goes in 36 here, and that's it. And now the next one is having a radius of 45. I'm picking the center point, and this goes in 45. That's really cool. Now we don't want to have the circle, rather the line having length is 18. So we don't, rather than providing the whole circle, we can have the straight line of length 18 is far enough. So we can draw this using a couple of methods. You can either draw a line. So I can say one of the fastest method in creating this is, you can have a construction line and trim it. That's it. Okay, picking up a point here, and I can offset it. Now we can trim these two unwanted lines, and I can delete it. So we are having this part right here, and now I don't want to have the circle. I can erase it. That's right, cool. And obviously I can array this, and maybe I like to remove the unwanted side. Okay, I can trim. That's it.